You trust Ranger boats because they represent top-of-the-line quality and legendary performance. So you should know that Thayer's Marine was named 2018 Ranger Dealer of the Year. Our sales volume is only part of the equation. Ranger recognizes our long-standing commitment to customer service, and we're coming right back to help.
Our huge indoor showroom brings you name brands galore, and we're easy to find right on the Thames River, minutes from Foxwoods and Mohegan Sun. Come see us at 14 Falls Avenue in Norwich. You'll understand why we're a renowned #1 resource for Ranger, Evinrude, Triton, Lund, Nitro, Tracker, Bayliner, and Mercury.
Do you need repairs or diagnostics? Our service department is one of the most trusted in the region. We've been a skilled BRP Evinrude Platinum Service Center for 9 years running. And our factory certified technicians are on duty during all business hours. Canvas, vinyl, or fiberglass, you name it.